These cute winter boots by Kamik feature a waterproof leather upper to keep your feet nice and dry, and a functional lace-up closure that has D-ring eyelets to give you a secure and custom fit, and a zipper closure on the inside for easy on and off. These have a classic yet stylish design with a woven texture around the trim of the collar for added flair. Inside there is a fuzzy lining that keeps you warm and feels great against the skin with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. They have a sturdy build with reinforced welt stitching for long-lasting durability, and you'll get a small lift from the block heel at the back. It's all on top of a durable rubber outsole that has grippy lugs to keep you stable. Let these be your go-to pair for the season.